Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Lorraine, and today I'm thrilled to give the spotlight to our friends at Key2Act, a leading Resco partner for over a decade and 2021 Partner of the Year. We'll hear from Jeff Nelson and Dan Balsbaush about why Key2Act first started building with us 10 years ago, how they've leveraged our partnership to build a best-in-class mobile app for their field service and building optimization platforms, and how Resco Inspections offered Key2Act a great pathway towards further innovation and delivering value to their users and their users' customers. Let me pass the word to Jeff to kick things off.
Key2Act is an innovator in the building intelligence, field service, and construction management markets with over 600 customers across North America, Australasia, and the Caribbean. We're proud to share that we have over 11,000 user licenses of our mobile applications built on Resco technologies in market today. Our roots are deep in commercial and industrial mechanical contracting, and we're headquartered in New Berlin, Wisconsin, with an office location in Chicago and remote employees across the United States. Our partnership with Resco allows us to deliver world-class mobility. Construction and field service have unique requirements as it relates to mobility, and uniting with an organization like Resco, who focuses exclusively on field service, makes for a more productive and progressive relationship for us. We continue to be excited about our partnership with Resco. Last year, we introduced an integration from Bob, our building optimization broker platform that exposes IoT building equipment health information inside of mobile tech for use by service technicians. We see tremendous potential and opportunity to continue to bring together IoT and field service workflows to make technicians even more efficient and effective. We will be releasing Mobile Tech 9.0 in November, and be sure to stay tuned for updates for our strategies for support of Dynamics 365 Business Central.
Our relationship with Resco goes back to 2011 when we were evaluating many different mobile development platforms to be able to build our next generation of mobile tech. We chose Resco for a number of reasons, one of those being their support for multiple device types. We knew we needed to add support for Android and iOS, but no other framework provider could give us Windows laptop and tablet support using a single tool set. As many of our customers' field techs use Windows devices for equipment diagnostics, it was important for us to include that segment. Resco provides a framework that allows our development team to focus on adding true functionality that our customers are asking for, instead of having to maintain a framework in parallel. People often ask me, how does mobile tech stand out from other mobile field service solutions? And the number one answer I give is its offline capabilities. Resco's synchronization engine gives us much more than a simple caching mechanism. So technicians can work in a fully offline environment, such as an oil field or deep in the basements of a commercial building. So multi-device support along with multi-operating system support combined with full offline capabilities continue to be market differentiators for us. The service we receive from Resco's support team is outstanding. They are always responsive and thorough whenever we need them. By leveraging the power of Resco Inspections, we delivered a world-class mobile form solution fully integrated into Mobile Tech, our existing mobile application for field service technicians. Many of our customers immediately recognize the value of this additional functionality in helping their technicians capture data in the formats their customers want and require without having to manage extra applications, databases, and reports. Our customers have been pleased to see how easy it is to design and deploy questionnaires and reap the benefits of simple and intuitive data entry and the value of data validation for reducing errors. The end results are happier, safer, and more productive technicians, and an experience for our customer's customer that leaves them delighted.
I work directly with Jeff, Dan, and the entire team on the strategy for integrating Resco Inspections into mobile tech. And for me, this experience highlights why Key2Act is a great Resco partner, but also a great business with deep expertise who puts their customers at the forefront. Delivering value and a great customer experience were at the core of every strategy discussion for inspections. Naturally, this started with their deep dive of inspections itself. How could it reduce the number of clicks in mobile tech, help workers become safer and smarter, unlock key insights through better data, and provide a more auditable trail of the service work being done? In short, how could inspections help take mobile work to the next level? But it didn't stop there. The discussions continued to make sure we delivered a great trial and buying experience for mobile tech customers through things like a dedicated Resco Academy course to get their core inspections users up to speed with the questionnaire designer. And we set up a biannual product development meeting focused on sharing customer feedback for inspections and developing a more competitive inspections roadmap together so that the value of inspections would increase over time. In particular, I was always impressed with how much thought and effort the Key2Act team, and specifically developer Nicole Zabel, put into representing their customers at these meetings. Through the successful launch of inspections in 2020 and the scaling of the solution in the past year and a half, we can clearly see what makes Key2Act an inspiration for the entire Resco partner community. It's their relentless, collaborative focus on making technology work for their customers rather than the other way around. I look forward to further discussions and raising a glass with the Key2Act team at this year's Resco Next conference on October 6th in Lisbon, Portugal.